Hello students, I am continuing part 3 of data structure subject, that is linked list, which is an example of linear data structure. In this video we will see how to delete a specified node from singly linked list. First we see the logic of deleting a specified node from singly linked list, then we will learn how to write algorithm for it. Case 1, when singly linked list is empty, that means start equals to null. There is no any node available in singly linked list, so we print no node to delete. Second case is when singly linked list is not empty, that means start is not equals to null. We have given a singly linked list containing 3 nodes having values 10, 20 and 30, and start pointer points to the first node. We have also given a location of node which we want to delete. So if the value of location is equals to 1, then what we have to perform? We have to delete first node from the singly linked list. So when singly linked list is not empty, we have to check if the location is equals to 1. That means we have to perform deletion of first node. What we have to do? First we have to point temporary node to first node of the linked list. That means we have to store address of first node into temp by writing temp equals to start. Now we have to change the address value of start into address of second node, which is stored in link part of the temp. So we have to write start equals to temp link. By doing this, now start will point to the node having address 500. Then we have to delete this node by writing delete temp. So after deletion we will get singly linked list having 2 nodes having values 20 and 30. But if the value of location is greater than 1, that means we are deleting a node which is at specified location LOC. Suppose the value of location is 2, which is greater than 1, then what we have to perform? We have to move the temp to location node. We always moving the temp pointer or to node which we want to delete. So here we want to move the temp to second node which we want to delete. When this node deleted, we have to change the link part of previous node by address of next node of temp having address of 100. Here we also point previous to node which is predecessor of temp node, which is previous to temp node. We traverse the linked list, start from temp equals to start, that means temp point to the first node. Then to move the temp to specified location, we have to use a variable I equals to 1, that means we are at node number first. Then we increment value of I by 1 until it reach to location. So here I am checking that while I is not equals to location, what we have to perform? We have to move previous to temp and temp to temp link, and then I have to increment the value of I by 1. This logic will move the temp to location node and previous to location minus 1 node. Initially temp is at first node and I equals to 1. Now we have to check 1 is not equals to location because value of I is 1 and location is 2, condition is true. So move previous to temp and temp to temp link. Value of temp link is 500, so temp will move to this node and value of I is incremented to 2. Now again we check I is not equals to location. Here value of I is 2 and also the value of location is 2. So 2 is not equals to 2, condition is false. So now our temp move to node having location 2 and previous to node having location 1. Previous is a pointer which is previous to temp node. Now we have to change link part of previous to address of this node, and the address of this node is stored in link part of temp. So what we have to do, previous link equals to temp link. So previous link initially contains 500, it is overwritten by temp link. Temp link is 100, so the value of previous link now becomes 100. So previous is now pointing to node having address 100. Finally we have to delete this temporary node, so we have to write delete temp. So after deletion there are two nodes in singly linked list having values 10 and 30. Next is algorithm. First we have to write algorithm. Name of algorithm is s delete underscore loc. Here we need two parameters, start and loc. Purpose of this algorithm is it deletes a node at a specified position in singly linked list. Assumptions are start, which is a pointer to first node. LOC stores position of the deleted node. In step 1 we have to check the empty linked list. If start equals to null, then there is no node available in linked list, then we have to print no node to delete and exit from the algorithm. But if the singly linked list is not empty, then we have to check if the value of location is 1, then we have to perform deletion of first node. If location equals to 1, then first we have to store address of first node into temp and move start pointer to the link part of the temporary node. That means we have to shift start pointer to the second node of the singly linked list. Then we have to delete first node of the singly linked list, which is pointed by temp, and exit from this algorithm. In step 3, if the location is greater than 1, traverse singly linked list to make temp pointer points to LOC and previous pointer points to LOC minus 1 node. So for that, first we have to store address of first node into temp and I equals to 1. While I is not equals to location, move previous to temp node and temp to temp link and increment value of I by 1. In step 4, we have to update link field of previous node by writing previous link equals to temp link. And in step 5, we did free the memory of specified location node, that means delete temp. Step 6 is AND. This is the algorithm for deleting a specified node from singly linked list. In next video we will see traversal in singly linked list. Thank you.